Today I'm going to show you how to do descendant selectors, grouping selectors, pseudo class, and specificity in Khan Academy. Let's get started. So, first off, I'm going to teach you guys about descendant selectors. So let's do an H1. Okay. And then what we're going to do with the H1 is we're going to say, hi. And we're going to do another H1. And I'll say, hello. Now, so if I try to call, so say I'm going in style and I want to do an H1, and then I'll write this, and then I want to change the color to red. It'll affect both of them, but what if I only want it to affect hi, not hello? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to teach you how to do something that's not an ID. It's called a descendant selector. So if we take this and move this into, let's say, a strong. So if we move this into strong, sorry, and so if we wrap a strong around this, it won't change anything about this, because now this one's strong, and that's it. But instead of an H1, we delete the H1 and put body space H1 space strong. Oh, sorry, I messed up. It only affects this one. So this is a descendant selector. This means anything inside body, the body tag, which is right here. Both of them are inside the body tag, so check. Next thing on the list, that is an H1. That is in H1. Check. They're both in H1. Anything that's in a strong, check. Oh no, this isn't in a strong. Ignore this. This isn't a strong. Turn it red. That's what the computer is saying. That is how you do a descendant selector. We could remove this and it would still work. But if we put body H1, it will affect both, but we'll put strong, it only affects the top one. Cool, right? Now I'll teach you grouping selectors. Grouping selectors. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add these, and it would work because it's anything the body, each one is strong. So that's how you do group selector. And now I'm going to teach you about pseudo classes. This is really fun to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete all this. So I'll restart, fresh, and I'll add a P tag, and then inside the P tag we'll write yay, and I'll add an ID that says Yay. Then inside this, I'll make it. I'll make it 100 pixels. Cool, right? So what I'm going to do now is I am going to add a pseudo class. These are the 4 pseudo classes in Khan Academy that they teach you. This is hover. Whenever I hover over it, it turns green. See, using yay hover. Yay visited means I've gone to this page before. Let's go back. Focus means when you're hovering, when you're highlighted and select it with, it means when you hover over it and press tab. And active means when you're holding down your cursor on it. Cool, right? Now let's teach you about specificity. So, this is how specificity works. If you have a bunch of stuff, some things in a group, some things in a group, some things in a class, some things in an ID. Some things are more specific to the computers than others, so it will only highlight certain things if you try to highlight them all. So, this is how it works. An element selector is the least specific, sorry, I cannot speak, selector of them all. Then there's class selectors. Classes are more specific than element selectors. ID selectors are more specific than class selectors. Descendant selectors are more specific than ID selectors. I'm pretty sure that's how specificity works. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and make sure to subscribe and like.